Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are good at home. Please stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, stay strong. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about simple feature. Subject plus will or shall, V1 plus object or complement, FTR or FJ. FTR means future time references, FA means future actions. Definition: this tense is used to denote an action in future. Keywords: definite time and definite, like tomorrow, to the day after tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, in 2020, 2025, 2030, in 2050, etc. Soon, very soon, shortly, one day or some other day later. For example, I will do shopping tomorrow. Revant will come here tomorrow. Kirti will do this work tomorrow. They will announce this soon. I will become a great teacher one day, or great one day. Four forms. I will do shopping tomorrow. It's a positive statement. I will not do shopping tomorrow. Negative statement. Shall I do shopping tomorrow? Positive interrogation. Shalln't or shouldn't? Will I not do shopping tomorrow? Negative interrogative. Not. Positive interrogative, negative interrogative. You will use in I. We use in only use in shall. Remaining all will. He, she, it, they, like that we will use only will. It will rain tonight. Positive positive sentence. It will not rain tonight. Negative sentence. Will it rain tonight? Positive interrogative. Will it won't rain tonight, or extended form. Will it not rain tonight? Negative interrogative. Then future actions. Subject will or shall plus V1 plus FTR or FA. Example: structure: simple feature plus a conjunction plus a simple present. I will give you money if you come here. Like in our Telugu language, we will use first, if you come here, then I will give you money. Like that. I will ask him after she comes. I will bring vegetables if I go to market. Future continuous tense. Subject plus will or shall plus B plus V1 plus ing plus object or complement, or FTR or FA. Here FTR means future time references. We will use at then. Definition: this tense is used to denote an action will be going on at a particular time in future. Means we will do at a particular time in future. Use that future continuous tense. For example, Shekhar will be going to Hyderabad then. He will go to in future. Children will be watching TV at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Lakshmi will be reading to the lesson at this time tomorrow. You will do in future actions. I will be recording a video tomorrow. Venkat will be playing football at 10 a.m. tomorrow. For this, four forms. Shekhar will be going to Hyderabad then is a positive statement. Shekhar will not be going to Hyderabad then. It is a negative statement. Will Shekhar be going to Hyderabad then? It is a positive interrogative. Won't Shekhar be going to Hyderabad? For this future action structure is that future continuous plus when or by this time plus a simple present. For example, she will be going to Vijayawada when they call tomorrow. Second one, I will be cooking the food when my mother comes tomorrow. Cooking or preparing means by this time I will do this work, by this time I will do that work, like that. We will use that in future. Future perfect tense. Structure: subject plus will shall plus have plus V3 plus object or complement, FTR. Here we use FTR by or by then. Then after FA, future actions. Definition: this tense is used to denote an action will complete by a particular time in future. For example, Denote action will complete by particular time in future. It's will completed in particular time in future. For example, she will have completed post graduation by 2020. They will have organized a company by 2030. Rekha will have come here by the day after tomorrow. Fourth, I will have gone Delhi by then. I will have well settled by 2 years. Four forms. They will have organized a company by 2030. It's a positive statement. They will not have organized a company by 2030. It's a negative statement. Will they have organized a company by then? Positive interrogative. Won't they have organized a company by then? Will they have? They not have. Extended form. Won't. Will they not have? Then feature action. For this feature action structure is the feature perfect plus when or simple present. For example, we will have completed half of the work when or by the time we stop for lunch tomorrow. Whenever we stop the lunch for tomorrow, we completed half of the action before. Radha will have got married someone when he comes next year. Then after feature perfect continuous tense structure, subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus v1 plus ing plus object or complement plus ftr. Definition: this tense is used to denote an action began in past, already began in past, and continued for some time in past, and also possible in present and future also. Past, it's a continuation sometimes in past, it's a continuation in past also, and also possible in present and future also. It's a possible work, its action is possible. We will do that action. For that we use in future perfect continuous tense. For example, Soba will have been singing songs 5 years by next week. She already started. And continuing in past and in continuation in present, and it's possible in future also. Karthik will have been writing the storybooks for 30 years by 2020. Sweta will have been doing job for 2 years by tomorrow. I will have been teaching the lessons for 5 years by next month. Here all use that began in past and continuation something in past, and it's possible in like a present also you will do that action, and possible in future also. Four forms. Sweta will have been doing job for 2 years by tomorrow. It's a positive statement. Sweta will not have been doing job for 2 years by tomorrow. Negative statement. Will Sweta have been doing job for 2 years by tomorrow? Positive interrogative. Won't Sweta have been doing job for 2 years by tomorrow? Won't extended form. Will Sweta not? This is the simple feature tense, feature continuous tense, feature perfect continuous tense, feature perfect tense, feature perfect continuous tense. I hope you friends, I hope you like my video. Please like, share and comment, and please don't forget subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then only you can get my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good luck.